Listen, when you go to the market and you get bananas instead of oranges, just because you chose bananas does not make oranges less desirable. You know what I mean? So, just because someone did not choose you or chose something else, it does not mean that you became less desirable. There will be an audience for you. There will be, people who are going to love you. There, you will have your own community. Yeah, just like oranges will have their own buyers. Someone will come, they will love oranges. They live on oranges. Oranges are the best thing that they have ever found, like for them. So, yeah, also, just because you do not like somebody does not mean that they become less desirable or unworthy of certain opportunities and all of that. Okay? My purpose of sharing this with you is that the rejection is the big thing for all of us. Every human being is scared of getting rejected because rejection may trigger that unworthiness wound, unlovable wound that they were given from their own family, their own parents, or from their own loved ones. Okay, so we are all afraid of getting those wounds triggered. Okay, because we believe it's a false belief that we believe about ourselves that will get triggered, and it's a good thing if it gets triggered. That means it's an opportunity for us to clear up. But this example that I gave you, like you choosing to buy bananas over oranges, does not make oranges unworthy, unlovable. Oranges will have their own buyers. So we have to sometimes reject people, and sometimes other people has to reject us. So that does not mean if you publish your book and the publisher rejects it, does not mean that your book will not be is any it's unworthy of being published, or it is not good enough. You gotta find another way, bro. It's an internal game, how you speak to yourself. You do not have to oh my god, you do not have to be all this outside noise or outside actions of the people hit you really hard. Have solid connection with God so that you move through all these challenges. And all these, they are not even challenges, this is just a part of life. Just like you're walking on a road and the hole will come and you might stumble a little bit, but then you become very pro at it, after a while. But once you hide, oh, I'm never gonna walk on road, that's when the fear becomes loud. Okay, so just because all these fear of rejection, do not let it stop you. Okay, sweetheart.